Now we've grown our piece by doing 6 rows of color work, 2 rows of slip stitch, and then the pattern says repeat those rows. So we did 6 more rows of color work and 2 more of the slip stitch, and then it says repeat rows 3 and 4, which is the first 2 rows of color work. And that's how long it's going to be before we increase for the thumb gusset. All right, so first we work 3 stitches the same way we've been working for our other rows, and that is blue, contrast color, and then blue. But now the difference is we're going to knit front and back with the contrast color, and here's what that looks like. You start to knit like normal, and then you bring your right hand needle around and through the same stitch. So we haven't taken it off the left needle yet. Then we knit into that stitch, and then we take the stitch off the needle. And that gives us 5 contrasting color stitches in this color work row. And then we work the row normally, the same as we have been, until the last batch of 4 contrasting colors, and we're gonna knit front and back again.